Hi, if you want to create these viral gradient backgrounds, follow me. Go to the Edit page and drag a Fusion composition to the timeline. Go to the Fusion page. Select the Fast Noise effect and link it to Media Out. Follow along with what I do. Uncheck the discontinuous and inverted options. Go to the Color page. Change the color type to Gradient. Click the triangle to select your desired colors. Congratulations! Now you have your viral gradient background. To make it look like water waves, click the discontinuous button on the Noise page. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this.